Hey everyone, welcome. So today, we're not going to sit through some boring lecture. Nope, we're actually going to go on a journey together. A clear, practical roadmap to something I think we all want, financial freedom. Let's get right into it.
Okay, I want you to do something for me. Just imagine this for a second. Your alarm goes off, it's Monday morning, but instead of that sinking feeling in your stomach, you just feel calm. You feel like the day is full of possibilities. So what's different?
Well, for one, you're not instantly stressed about the rent or that credit card bill or the car payment that's coming up. There's just this sense of peace.
And you're not desperately counting the days until payday just to make it through the month. That pressure, it's just gone. Now, this doesn't mean you stop working, but you work because you want to, not because you have to. This isn't some far-off fantasy, you guys. This is what financial freedom feels like, and you are in the driver's seat.
All right, so what exactly are we talking about when we say financial freedom? Because, it's probably not what you're thinking. Let's bust a few myths right now.
Okay, this is so important. We're always sold this myth, right? The stuff on the left, the fancy cars, the huge house. But the reality, the thing that's actually achievable for all of us, is on the right. It's really just about having your expenses covered, getting rid of that constant money pressure, and opening up your choices in life.
So here it is, the big definition. It's really simple. Financial freedom is just that moment when your basic lifestyle expenses are covered by income that doesn't come from your 9-to-5 job. See, you don't have to be a millionaire, you just have to be free. And look at this. This one chart, it's basically the whole game plan. That flat line, that's your lifestyle expenses. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make that other bar, your investment income, grow and grow until it finally crosses that line. The second it does, boom, you've made it. You're free. So, how in the world do we actually get there? Well, it's not with lottery tickets, that's for sure. It's with a clear roadmap, a really simple path that anyone, and I mean anyone, can start walking down today.
And here it is. This is the whole journey, laid out in 5 simple, logical steps. Just take a look. We're going to walk through every single one, so don't feel overwhelmed, okay? It all starts right at the beginning with step 1, taking control.
All right, step 1. This is the bedrock, the foundation for everything else. Because think about it. If you can't manage the money you have right now, earning more isn't going to solve the problem. This is all about making your money work for the life you actually want to live.
I love this quote because it just cuts right to the heart of it all. You work so hard for your money. So, is it actually going towards the things you truly care about? Or is it just kind of vanishing into thin air?
Okay, here's a super powerful little exercise you can literally do right after this. Step 1, grab a piece of paper and write down your top 5 life priorities. Family, health, learning, whatever they are. Step 2, pull up your last bank statement. Now, do they match? Does where your money went reflect what you say you care about? Closing that gap, that's where the magic really starts.
Okay, so once you've got a handle on where your money's going, the next step is to build up your defenses. We're going to build some financial armor and then put your growth on autopilot.
First things first, that financial armor I mentioned, that's your emergency fund. And let's be super clear, this is not an investment. This isn't money you're trying to grow. It's your safety net. It's basically 6 months of your living expenses, just sitting in an account you can get to easily. It's there for one reason, peace of mind.
And let's be real for a second. All this stuff, manually moving money to savings, paying bills on time, tracking everything, it's kind of boring. It's the boring stuff. And what happens when things are boring? We forget about them, or we just put them off. So what's the fix? Automate it. Seriously. This is the secret weapon. You make the smart decision once, you set up the system to run by itself, and then you just forget about it. You take willpower completely out of the equation.
And you can automate pretty much everything these days. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the day you get paid. Automate all your bills so you're never late. And this is a big one. Automate your small, consistent investments, like an SIP. This just frees up so much mental space for the things that actually matter.
And why is automating those investments so darn important? Well, it's because of this. The absolute magic of compounding. It starts off so slow you barely even notice it. But over time, as you can see on this chart, that growth just becomes explosive. But this is where people get caught. This is the trap. They get impatient in those first few years when it looks flat and they just quit. They give up. But sticking with it, being consistent, That is how you get to that amazing upward curve. You just can't quit before the magic starts. All right, we're at the final step, the last piece of the puzzle. And this one isn't just about stocks and bonds. This is about a fundamental shift in your mindset and about investing in the one asset that is guaranteed to pay you back forever. You.
This is maybe the most important part of the whole thing. Instead of looking at saving or investing as a sacrifice, you have to reframe it. You're not depriving yourself today. You are actively buying freedom for your future self. It's not deprivation. It's an act of self-care. It's self-love.
And last but not least, please don't ever forget the single greatest investment you can possibly make. Stocks can go up, stocks can go down, but investing in your own skills, that pays dividends forever. I mean, just think about it. A single $500 course that helps you learn a skill to earn an extra $1,000 a year, that's a 200% return in the first year alone. You are not going to find that anywhere else.
So, as we wrap this up, remember, this is not about changing your entire life overnight. That's overwhelming. It's just about starting. It's about taking one small step. So my question for you is this: what is the one tiny thing you're going to do today, right now, to start building that future for yourself?